Hello guys, welcome to 5mantra.com. This is Kalyan, the faculty of aptitude, and we are going to discuss the exercise. We are going to do the exercise on the previous video about the cylindrical rods. Okay, when three rods are tied together, then what is the length of rope required for that? Let us do a small exercise of 2 or 3 problems to know that how to use the technique. Okay, let us see. Here, find the length of the rope, okay, to tie the 3 cylindrical pipes tightly with equal bases, and base radius of each pipe is 2 centimeters. Means what is the base radius of each pipe? This would be 2 centimeters. Base radius in the sense what? For example, let us see. Here, these are the 3 pipes which are tied. So, these are the bases. And base radius is mentioned as how much here? Tell me guys, this is a base radius or not? This base radius is given as how much? 2 centimeters. That is the thing. Or if someone might not have understand this, let me explain through the diagram, just rough diagram. So if it's at these front portions are in the shape of circles, as I said you before, and this is also one more circle, which is that now we need to find out the length of rope which is used to tie this. This is the thing which we need to find. Okay, now let us do this here. Okay, in this case, what the thing, see, when the radius of the each pipe, when all are having equal base radius as mentioned in the diagram, as mentioned in the problem, each base radius is same. That means if it's every base radius is r, as in the technique what we taught you, what is the technique I said? See, that would be 2 pi r plus 6r or not. What I explained to you in the technique, when 3 pipes, length of the rope, okay, length of the rope required for tying the 3 cylindrical pipes along their curved cross sections tightly is how much? Okay, 2 pi r plus 6r, where r is a base radius. See, r is like what? R is a base radius. This is a base radius. Once again showing you to make you understand. This is a base radius, means this. Okay, each is r. So how to do this problem then? Simply we have to substitute the value of base radius in this. So what is the base radius given? 2 centimeters or not? So what should be the length of the rope required? Simply 2 into, see here, now we see this is 2 pi. Okay, r equal to 2 we have to substitute. Better substitute r equal to 2. 2 pi into 2 plus 6 into how much? 2. Again r. So what is this? 4 pi plus 2 into 2, 4 pi or not? Plus 6 into 2, 12. Now again if we do the substitution of 22 by 7 in place of pi, then 4 into this would be 22 by 7 plus 12. Let us do the approximate calculation of this. 22 4s are how much? 88 by 7 plus 12. So 7, if you cut with the 7, 7 ones are 7, and here 1 is the remainder, 1 8 18. 18 means 7 goes 2 times in that. So 7 2s are 14. Out of 18, 14 is taken out, 4 will be the remainder. If you keep decimal, okay, I'll write here, this is 12 point, decimal I kept, then it will become 40. 40 means 7 5 times we can cut. Okay, 7 5s are 35, and what is left? Out of 40, 35 is gone, then 5 is a remainder. Again for decimal you can keep 0, that is 50. So 7 7s are approximately, this is 12.57 plus 12. 12.57 plus 12 would be how much? 24.57 centimeters or not? So this answer of this entire would be 12.57 plus 12. Now 12.57 plus 12 would be how much? 24.57 centimeters. So what is the length of rope required for this? Okay, 24.57 centimeters. Maybe it is approximated, no, not exact value. So this is close to which of the given option? That means here 24.57 means which of the option is close to that? 24.56. Okay, only is I mean second place after tens digit, that is approximated. It's not a problem. So what is the closest value to that? Okay, 24.56. Okay, so your answer is option A. Approximately 24.57 or 56 is same. Okay, so now what is the length of rope required? Like this. So if you see this, guys, if you want to do the problem here only, it will take more than 10 minutes. Now are we getting the time saving or not? So definitely a lot of time is saved, because already we analyzed this case before only, and we just kept the shortcut in our hand, and that shortcut would be 2 pi r plus 6r, where r is a base radius. For you guys, is it clear or not? So this shortcut works like this, but my suggestion is to everyone that don't follow any shortcut blindly. First know the principle and know the analysis, then you can apply like this while doing the exercises and examinations. Okay, so I think you would have enjoyed this video, and now this is exercise on the previous video. Okay, you would have enjoyed this video. If you like this, don't forget to subscribe subscribe to get this type of informative videos. In your further videos, we are going to upload so many techniques from the mensuration and geometry, especially for CGL and CHSL students. Thank you very much.